Hi everyone, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you this VR for greenTdesignco here on YouTube, and she is also, I believe, on Instagram. I'll leave all her information below, and you can head on over to her YouTube channel to get all the information that you need, but it is for her 500 subby giveaway. So I would love for you guys to go on over, subscribe, show her some love, and let's get her up over 500. And so she's looking for a Memdex card and some embellishments of your choice. So what I did was I just had some paper that I've had and put it into a Memdex card. And then I had these ephemera pieces, and I love working with black and gold. So what I did with this is I added a tassel and put a little charm on it that says made with love, and then my information will be on the back and slide out. I already adhered it to the back, so I don't want to pull it off. And I just put some crepe paper and tulle in the back and just popped these up and added some stars to it. And I added a little bow right on to the little bunny's headband. So, and it's just magic. So I thought this was really, really cute. And again, I used the black and gold. So I created this bag topper, and that's what I'll send to her. Now the challenge does end June 15th, so hopefully this will make it in time. I'll get it out in the mail tomorrow. And then she was asking for some embellishments. So these are crepe paper tulle embellishments. And I've shared a video on that, so you can check that out if you'd like to see how I made those. I just made this little envelope, which kind of goes with, or which actually goes with that piece that I had left over, so I thought it was perfect. So then I made those along with some butterflies for her. So I'll get that out in the mail tomorrow. So again, make sure you head on over to her channel, make sure you subscribe and show her some love, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.